called for?
Hey, Shelby, yo, we on one. We hold.
Who said this game go to 11? God damn.
Jim.
Yo, help on this side.
I'm step I can't wait. I'm gonna jump right on the joint.
Hey, you got the bitch. I can ride you shooting the
10 seconds.
When he shot the face off, I called technical.
What?
His last name Q.
You're going to regret that. You're going to regret that. Being honest.